So now this backpack is full of crates that I got from modders and also that I got from sewers. So basically, we're gonna be opening them and see what we get. So yeah. By the way, my fan code is Oliver Gray. Yep, Oliver Gray stands for Oliver Grayson. So yeah, let's do this. Yeah. We're gonna open the tiny ones first, and then we're gonna open the small ones. So first, tiny one. Ammo. A grenade. Alright. More ammo. RPG! Alright. You're not running away. Where are you going? First big one! Oh, shotgun. Alright. And another grenade. Alright. Dope. Can you put it in the bag? Alright. But after this video, I'm gonna make a little announcement. Yeah. So basically, my announcement is